Good afternoon, everybody. It is February 24th, Sunday. Today we're actually going to just open up our hive that we caught right in the back right here. About a week ago, me and Spencer caught a hive, or say caught a hive. We actually removed a hive for some people. So we're going to open those up today and see how they're doing, see if we can find a queen, and then we're going to check on our other hives and we'll see what we find. Ooh, lots of numbers. Lots of numbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the top of this hive. See how much I can do here one-handed for y'all. Give them a little bit of smoke to kind of preoccupy them. That's one question we always get is, what does smoke do? Smoke does two things. It makes the bees think the hive's on fire and they're worried about getting as much honey as they can get. But also, if they get a little angry at us, they won't go into total alarm pheromone stage where they just want to attack. So I'm just making a quick glance here to make sure I don't see the queen on the lid. Not seeing her. But you can see we got 3 good frames of bees. I think we're doing really well. Let's go ahead and set the camera back down and pop them open and see what we got. First thing I look for is eggs. If I see eggs, I know we have a viable queen that is laying, which is going to be surprising because Spencer and I are pretty sure we lost her in the shuffle of the catch. The way they're fanning, you can see some of the fanning. Tells me we probably do have a queen. I don't see her yet, but I don't know how well you can see. I'm gonna get as close as I can. I don't even see eggs. See those little white things in there? Those are actually eggs. So. Right in the middle. It's big and pretty. Awesome. Got the queen. Pause the video here. So we've been having a lot of problems with our yellow jackets here at our hives. This is the first season that we have issues with that. And I believe these 2 hives are really, really weak. One hive actually absconded on us because of the yellow jackets. But absconded means that they totally just abandoned the house. Wasn't good. So I'm also concerned about this hive. They look very, very weak. The numbers are really, really low, which for us, this is bad. This is a pollen patty. I'm actually just going to get rid of this because it doesn't seem like they're too fond of it. This hive is the one that totally absconded on us. There's no bees, no queen, no nothing, just yellow jackets in this box. Really not aggressive. These girls, I don't know where they're all at right now, but last time I checked these, they had the top box even full. Oh, there's some traffic. So we might see if we can steal some brood from them to boost this next hive, the one I just opened. So this was our barbecue hive that we split. Their numbers are outstanding this year. They're going to do really well. I might split them again this year. Let's start on the outside and see what we can steal. They're really calm too. Slower the better with these. Wow, I gotta show y'all this. So some bees, a lot of times we'll have, I don't know if you can see that, that's actually a yellow jacket. The bees are terrorizing that yellow jacket. They are tearing her up, they're stinging her, they're biting her. This is how a strong hive handles yellow jackets that try to come steal from them. Like I said, we lost that one hive. Two yellow jackets because they couldn't fend them off. They just didn't have the numbers to. So we're setting up some yellow jacket traps, and I'll show y'all that here at the end of the video. They killed that yellow jacket. That's amazing. Yes, found her already. She's pretty clean. So again, this is our split from, there she is. She's laying, I mean, everything is solid brood. She is laying some drones, but that's typical at this time of year. Where'd she go? There she is. She's kind of hiding. Beautiful queen. This year, we're actually going to start marking our queens. Okay, so like I said, it probably was not clear what I just did right there on video, and I apologize for that. It's hard to video and work the hive by yourself. Spencer's back in Texas and my dad's not here, so I'm doing this all alone. But basically what I did is I took a frame of brood, capped baby bees, and I put them with the other hive, shook off as much bees as I could, and what that does is that allows them to multiply their numbers rapidly because they're not using resources to make those baby bees. Those baby bees are just ready to go. They'll hatch out and they'll start helping right away. Again, this hive's very, very strong already, so we're gonna let them be. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back together. Like I said, we have been having trouble over here with our yellow jackets. We actually lost one hive, 2 yellow jackets. So we've looked up these traps, and basically what you do is you can screw some rotten meat or some chicken, or we even heard using cat food, and that actually worked really well. You take cat food and you spread it on the boards, and you put soapy water beneath the boards, and when the hornets try to eat the meat or the cat food, they fall and hit the water, and once that water hits their body, they can no longer fly and they suffocate and die. We'll be producing a good bit of honey this year, so if you're interested, just be on the lookout for that as well. We'll film our extraction process and all the bottling and everything as well. Let me know if you got questions, comment below. I'll respond as fast as I can. I'm looking forward for a great 2019 season. Hopefully you'll follow us along and see how everything goes. Comment questions below. Thanks. Bye.